Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you that how you can change your Facebook profile photo without posting it. So let's start our video. Open your Facebook application, then tap on your profile here. Here you will find your profile picture. You need to tap on the camera icon to change it. It will access to your gallery. From here, you can select any picture that you want to change. Once you selected the picture, all you need to do is to disable this option, share your update to newsfeed. So once you disable that one, now your profile picture will be changed, but it will not be added to the feed of your friends. So they will not know that you have updated any picture. They will see your profile picture, but there will be no post about it. So all you need to do is to tap on post. And as you can see here, uploading your profile photo, it will take a bit of time. And once it is uploaded, as you can see, it is changed and there is no feed about it. So guys, this is how you can change your profile photo without posting it. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.